Today we're going to do a quick video on the proper way to purge a cartridge. But first, let's get our proper PPE on this. For adhesives, we all require safety glasses and gloves, which most shops will have this. But before we purge the cartridge, let's talk about wiping the stone down with denatured alcohol. Okay? And guys, as a manufacturer of the adhesives, we recommend denatured alcohol because it doesn't affect the surface that we're applying the adhesives to. MEK can, acetone can. So you just wipe down any surface that your hands or the adhesive have touched or will touch, and that way that removes all the oil and residue. And once you got that done, we will now step over and purge the cartridge. So get your gun, get your new cartridge, and the procedure we're going to go through on purging works whether you're doing a brand new cartridge out of the wrapper or it's one that's been sitting on the shelf. You still need to do this each and every time you use the cartridge. Take your tip off, the cap off, hold your gun up. I like to get it almost at a 30-degree angle, thereabouts. And I want to pull the trigger until I can see the activator and the adhesive both come out. Once you do that, clear your tip, put your mixing tip on. And once you put your mixing tips on, you want to purge about this amount out again into a cup, onto a piece of stone or scrap stone. And I want to do it on a piece of mylar here for what we're doing. And once you do that, guys, you have now got this cartridge where it should be at a 10-to-1 ratio, and the color mix should be perfect. So now you shouldn't have any non-cure issues or color issues at the beginning of your scene.